Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Got a frog in my throat. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. My name is Claudette and I am your Jamaican Gypsy Granny, back again with another video. Now today we're talking about some festivals and events that we celebrate here in Jamaica. Now, because this is not a personal experience, I'm going to be having to read from my tablet while I speak to you. So please forgive me if sometimes you see me looking down, all right? I hope you enjoyed the information, and if so far you've been enjoying my channel, please remember to subscribe before it gets too late. It only takes a second. Thank you, and that will help support my channel and help it to grow. So I'd love it if you do that and also share and leave a comment at the end of the video. So let's dive into this video. Now, apart from, the beauty that we have here and the hospitality that you receive when you come to Jamaica, there are a lot of events, some of them free, some not so free, that you may be interested in attending as a visitor so that you learn more about us and our culture and get a chance to see what it is like to be a Jamaican. And some of these events sure will introduce you to that topic. If you're one of those travelers who don't want to come here and stay locked up in your all-inclusive while you see the same people you see when you travel, this is the video for you. Okay, let's dive in. Now, at the top of my list is Reggae Sumfest. And I'm going to be reading you some information on Reggae Sumfest, so pardon me. Now, dubbed the greatest reggae show on earth, Reggae Sumfest is a cornerstone of Jamaica's musical heritage. Held annually in Montego Bay during the summer months, this week-long festival showcases the creme de la creme of reggae and dancehall artists. From electrifying performances by international superstars to emerging local talents, you'll see it all. Attendees are treated to a musical extravaganza that resonates with the soulful rhythms of Jamaica. Beyond the main stage, the festival offers beach parties, workshops, and cultural exhibitions. For those planning to attend, it's advisable to book accommodations and tickets well in advance, as Montego Bay becomes a bustling hub of activity during this period. And if you really want to have a holistic experience of the island's rich musical landscape, you don't want to miss it, all right? Moving right along. Now, Jamaica Carnival, which is going to be coming up in March, it happens every year, and this is an explosion of color, excitement, music. People come from all over the world. Right now, my travel business is too small to offer a package, but hopefully for the next year Carnival, I will be offering a package for Carnival. So let me tell you about the Jamaica Carnival and what it is. All right, typically taking place in March or early April, the carnival features grand parades with participants donned in elaborate costumes. They dance through the streets to the rhythms of soca and calypso music. The festivities can span several days, including events like Juve, where revelers take to the streets in the early morning hours, and various themed parties that keeps the energy going. Participating in Jamaica Carnival offers a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in Caribbean culture, celebrating unity and freedom and joy. And this did not include the fact that it's not only soca and calypso go here. This is Jamaica. We don't host no event without reggae music. So you will be exposed to not only soca and calypso. You're going to be getting some reggae thrown in there, okay? This is Jamaica. Moving right along. Bob Marley Week. In February, around the 6th, Jamaica pays homage to its legendary son, Bob Marley, during Bob Marley Week. This week-long celebration in Kingston includes museum tours, live performances, and cultural exhibitions, all dedicated to honoring the life and legacy of the King of Reggae. Fans from around the world gather to participate in symposiums discussing Marley's impact on music and culture, while concerts featuring both seasoned and upcoming reggae artists echoes his timeless messages of love and unity. Visiting the Bob Marley Museum during this time offers a deeper insight into the icon's life, with special events and exhibits curated for the occasion. Next on my list is the Ocho Rios Jazz Festival. For now, if you love jazz, the Ocho Rios Jazz Festival is a must-attend event. It's held annually in May, and this 5-day festival transformed the scenic town of Ocho Rios into a haven for jazz enthusiasts. It features a blend of international and local artists, and the festival offers performances in various venues, from intimate clubs to open-air stages. The harmonious fusion of jazz with reggae and or Caribbean rhythm creates a unique musical experience, reflecting Jamaica's diverse cultural influences. Beyond the music, attendees can indulge in local cuisine, art exhibitions, and workshops, making it a comprehensive cultural immersion. All right, and for all the foodies who want to come here, this one is for you. It's the Portland Jerk Festival. Now, just by the way, I was born in Portland, gal over here, so Portland, Porty, me say. Anyway, culinary enthusiasts will find the Portland Jerk Festival a delectable delight. Oh my God, that sentence just sounds so foodie. Held in July in the parish of Portland, this festival celebrates Jamaica's world-famous jerk cuisine. Visitors can savor a variety of jerk dishes, from the traditional jerk chicken and pork to innovative seafood and vegetarian options. The festival also includes live music, cultural performances, and craft vendors offering a feast for all senses. Set against the lush backdrop of Portland, which is known for its natural beauty, the festival provides a perfect blend of gastronomy and culture. It's an ideal event for families, with activities catering to all age groups, ensuring a memorable experience for everyone. So don't miss it. All right, plan a trip. All right, moving right along. Rebel Salute. Now in January, the Rebel Salute, I think that gone already. Yeah, I had friends come down for that. In January, the Rebel Salute brings reggae aficionados to Ocho Rios for a celebration of music, food, and art. Founded by reggae artist Tony Rebel, the festival emphasizes the preservation of reggae's roots and maintains Rastafarian culture. Sorry, let me repeat that. Founded by reggae artist Tony Rebel, the festival emphasizes the preservation of reggae's roots and Rastafarian culture. Unlike many other music festivals, Rebel Salute maintains a strict no meat, no alcohol policy, promoting a healthy lifestyle in line with the Rastafarian principles. Attendees can enjoy live performances from reggae legends and emerging artists. They can explore arts and crafts stalls and indulge in a variety of vegetarian and idle dishes. The festival's family-friendly atmosphere and focus on cultural education make it a unique and enriching experience. All right, so let's move to Jamaica Rum Festival. Now, for those interested in spirits, this is not a family-friendly event. The Jamaica Rum Festival, which is typically held in February or March, is a celebration of the island's rich rum heritage. Visitors can enjoy tastings of various rum brands, learn about the history and production of rum in Jamaica, and participate in culinary pairings that highlight the versatility of this beloved spirit. The festival also features live music, art displays, and workshops, offering a comprehensive insight into Jamaica's cultural and historical connection to rum. It's an event that tantalizes the taste buds while educating attendees about one of the island's most significant exports. And last on my list is the Accompong Maroon Festival. Now, this already passed in January, so if you're coming next year, you may want to plan your trip around this. In January, the Accompong Maroon Festival celebrates the Maroon community's history and culture. Located in St. Elizabeth, the town of Accompong Located in St. Elizabeth, the town of Accompong. Am I going to get past this? All right, let's try again. Located in St. Elizabeth, the town of Accompong commemorates the signing of the peace treaty with the British in 1739. The festival offers a unique insight into Jamaica's indigenous heritage, featuring traditional music, dance, and storytelling. Visitors can witness the rich traditions of the Maroons, including the playing of the abeng, a traditional horn, ceremonial rituals, and authentic Maroon cuisine. The festival provides a rare opportunity to dive into a significant aspect of Jamaican's history and the resilience of its people. So now that we've come to the end of the list, if you're still hanging around here, if you don't mind, can you just go ahead and hit that subscribe button? Thank you. All right. All right, so Jamaica's festivals are more than just events. They are vibrant expressions of the high. When I laugh. Here we go again. Jamaica's festivals are more than just events. They are vibrant expressions of the island's rich heritage, music, and culinary traditions. From the soulful rhythms of Reggae Sumfest to the tantalizing flavors of the Portland Jerk Festival, each celebration offers a unique window into the heart of Jamaican culture. So, when you're planning your trip, you need to plan your Jamaican adventure. To fully immerse yourself in these culinary and cultural experiences, you may want to consider aligning your visit with one or more of these festivals. Here are some upcoming events to mark on your calendar. Reggae Sumfest is scheduled for July 13 to 19, 2025 in Montego Bay. This festival, as mentioned above, promises a week of unparalleled reggae performances. The Jamaica Carnival, which happens in April 23 to 29, 2025, is coming up. So if you want to go there, try to plan around that. And Mocha Fest, which I did not mention earlier, is 2025. It's a 10th anniversary celebrations, and it goes from May 22nd to 27, 2025 in Negril. And I think this happens up by Rick's Cafe. So there you can go to Negril, you can enjoy the 7 Mile Beach, you can, party and enjoy a cool, laid back place. So thank you for watching, and I ask you to stay informed and engaged. For the most up-to-date information on these and other events, regularly check official festival websites and local tourism boards. Engaging with these platforms ensures you won't miss out on any new announcements or changes. And after you've attended these festivals, please remember to share them with your friends so that they may decide to come here. And if they want to book through Jamaican Gypsy Granny, you can I'll leave the link in the box. All right. So we'd love to hear from you. Which Jamaican festival are you most excited to attend? Do you have any memorable experiences from past events? Please share your thoughts and comments and stories in the comment sections below. Thanks for watching. I remain your Jamaican Gypsy Granny, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Walk good. Ciao.